In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify store settings tutorial, payments, shipping, and taxes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to activate payments, where to adjust your shipping setup, and how to customize your tax options so your store is ready to take orders confidently. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading into your store's settings. First, go to the payments section. This is where you activate payments and set up the methods you prefer to accept. Choose the payment provider that fits your business, then review the key details it offers, like transaction fees, supported cards and digital wallets, payout schedules, and any country or industry restrictions. If accelerated checkouts such as digital wallets are available to you, consider whether they make sense for your audience, as they can streamline checkout and boost conversions. Take a moment to look at your payment capture settings, the statement descriptor customers will see on their bank statements, and the currency you plan to accept. If you sell to multiple regions, it's helpful to understand which currencies your gateway supports and whether it auto-converts prices for shoppers. When everything looks right, keep an eye on any notices or prompts that confirm your choices. Next, click Shipping. This area controls how orders move from you to your customers. Here, you can make changes to your shipping settings to match your logistics. Review your shipping origin and your shipping profiles to ensure products are grouped logically. Check your domestic and international zones and confirm that your rates reflect real costs and delivery expectations. If you offer free or flat rate shipping, make sure those thresholds and prices are realistic for your margins. Look through your package sizes and weights so calculated rates are accurate, and confirm your preferred label format and default handling times. If you use local delivery or local pickup, this is the place to fine-tune availability and instructions so customers know exactly how and when they'll receive their orders. Then, click Taxes. Here you can customize how taxes are applied in each region you sell to. Decide whether your prices include tax or if tax is added at checkout, and verify the regions where you need to collect. Review whether shipping charges are taxable in your locations and ensure product tax settings reflect any exemptions that apply to your catalog. If you sell internationally, confirm your settings for cross-border rules and check that your rounding method and display preferences align with local expectations. When in doubt, consult a tax professional to confirm your obligations. That's the tour. Payments is where you activate and configure how you get paid. Shipping is where you adjust how orders are delivered, and taxes is where you tailor how much is collected. Take a moment to review each area carefully so your checkout experience is smooth from start to finish.